Shea Moisture has a new product out. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So we're gonna try, I'm so excited. I went shopping and I saw Shea Moisture has a new, it's a curl cream. Hydrate and Repair whipped curl cream with manuka honey and yogurt. There is also maphora and baobab oil. I haven't seen that word in a long time. It says in the directions that you have to, it says to spray hair with the leave-in first and then add this, but I'm sure you could just go right in, and I have used this already, so I know how it works, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to let you see for yourself. Okay, let's get into this. So what I did notice is that unlike the Shea Moisture in the orange tub, I can't think of the name, but this is much thinner in consistency. That one is a more thicker product, sort of like a butter, so you wouldn't want to use a lot of it. And of course, that was probably one of my first videos, and I put a lot in. But now, because I said I did use this already, I do know how much to put in, because the first time you really don't know. I thought I could put a lot in, and I think my hair came out really good with it. So I'm going to just use a little less and see if that works also. Because what happened is later in the day, I felt the product in my hair a little too much. So I want to try and go in a little less. So as I put my finger in, I'm literally just dipping my finger in my shake and rake. It just works best for me. And you see how this is fluffy on the bottom? I don't have enough product in it, so I'm just going to go in. It's dry. I have dry, coarse hair. It is what it is. My hair just sucks that right in. My hair is so naturally dry. Oh, this does smell nice, by the way. No, well, it doesn't really have much of a smell to it, but it's very faint, which is nice because it's natural. It's not overpowering. I hate when... I like my products to smell pretty and light and fragrant, but not overpowering and not powdery. Going in with the diffuser, if you want to see how I style my curls, I have plenty of videos on that. I'm going to do a quick little diffuse, and then we'll see how this came out. Wow, look at this. Okay, so it came out good with a little less than last time. Came out really good again, really good. I have been skipping on my haircuts. I usually get my hair like thinned out a little. Going big though. I'm gonna try and go big and just keep my hair the way it is. So this is it, and let's go about our day and see how it works. My hair feels soft. My hair looks defined. Yeah, did a really good job. Will it hold? I put a little less in because, like I said, I felt it in my hair all day yesterday. So I just want to see how it's going to feel today. Okay, guys, let's go about our day. Come along with me, and we'll see how this does. Get this in the background. Guys, I totally forgot to film in here. And yes, I put my hair up, by the way, because I have to have my hair up. But we'll check into the hair and see the situation later. But it's the cutest coffee shop, and we were working hard, right, Alina?
Yeah, we did a lot of work today.
We did a lot of work. Okay, all right. Nice outfit. All right, let's go. Wait, you got what tinted moisturizer did you get?
Neutrogena.
I love Neutrogena. Oh, that's right. It looks really good.
It's a little pale, but I put stuff on top.
Yeah, but that's good. It gives you the sheer. I mean it like evens out. That's the word I'm looking for. Right. All right. So we're here having lunch, and I think I'm just gonna get.
Ladies, can I grab you something to drink?
You're making fun of me because I just got a vodka drink. What did I get? Let me see.
The huckleberry lemonade.
I'll be your huckleberry.
Why?
Oh, this is what I got. I wanted I almost got the Harbor Spritz, but I don't think I liked it last time. And someone got a spicy margarita.
Saint Germain is really good, actually.
Well, I was going to say put Saint Germain in, because that's what... Oh, no, that's the Admiral.
No, it's not.
No, it's the... I'm thinking of Bellini instead of getting Bellini, but it's... we have Aperol with Saint Germain's instead of.
I wonder if you can hear yourself on this.
What?
I wonder if the microphone is good on this.
Yeah,
So I feel like it's
don't-
so loud.
Yeah, it's really loud. So if you can't hear me, check it. I put my hair back because it's summer and I'm just so. I don't like my hair on me.
I think that's good.
Like, you know, it doesn't
It's like
have
a
to be
kid.
down.
It looks like a bun, but it's
Right.
not. 'Cause it's a
Because if your hair is
bun.
not styled good, it still could look bad in a bun.
Yeah.
So this product is good for hair ups, updos. But
Hair ups.
guys, I'm gonna take the doggies for like to my friend's house, the big backyard, and we're gonna go there after too.
Having a spontaneous lunch.
Guys, we're getting a second round.
Oh my god.
We might have to call it Uber or Daddy. Guys, I didn't film last night because I got home late and I drank way too much and it was just a mess. But this is second day hair because I didn't wash it again and I put it up because I'm going to put it up anyway, so why wash it? And this really did good for the second day. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to go. I'm going to call it a day and...
No, you don't.
I am going to go to bed now. Now, you know I had my hair up. I did have my hair up the entire time. And it looks terrible now. I know that.
You cannot put that on the internet. You're drunk.
And what you said I have to be like that. People want to see that side of me. I am
Yeah.
drunk.
That's fine.
Actually, the trick's on you. I've been filming you the whole time.
I'm upset.
What? You want food? How much more food could you have eaten tonight? Huh? So, the reason why it looks like this is not because of the product, but because I had my hair up all night. It stayed in. I do feel the product, but I think my hair looked good before, so I'm sticking to it. And I'm going to put it up again because my hair just is big lately, and I just always have my hair up. All right. I'm going to bed. Yes, my eyes are red. It's Friday night, though, you know? And I've been doing it all day with this one, going out to lunch.
If you put that on the internet, I will kill you.
Why? We went out drinking. It's on our channel already. Drinking.
Our eyes are red.
From drinking.
Your eyes don't get red when you drink.
All right. Guys, I'm going to call it a night. Apparently I have to cut out some of those.
Do not put me on the internet like that.
Anyway, I'm going to go to bed.
Here.
Oh, terrible. But the product was good. Look at you can still see my... I just did my roots yesterday.
Yeah.
I told you. I wasn't joking when I say it comes in every 5 hours. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I just realized I'm covering the microphone.
Mommy, it's not happening, so I will sue you if my face goes on the internet.